So, it's a great opportunity for us here to be here in this amazing place, the Temple of Poseidon. And it's an opportunity, actually, always when you go to places like this. Open our eyes just for a little bit. Look around at these beautiful mountains, there's the sky, people, ruins. You can close your eyes now. Generate the image of these mountains that surround us. Generate the image of the ocean. Generate the image of the sun and this light. Notice these images flicker in and out. They arise, they're there, and they're gone. You cannot hold on to them. We are the whole universe in this moment in time. As you look at the sky, just remind yourself that the atoms in my body came from there.